been waiting for this. Lights flash, trip bells for the win. Fast stacks, double O, let it spin. 35 to 1, running back for the kid. I'ma make it rain tonight. 24 on the game tonight. Lake show getting paid tonight. I blame it all on the famous life. Get ready, drop the confetti. Get ready, drop the confetti. Get ready, get ready. Get ready, drop the confetti.
What fortune lies beyond the stars? Those dazzling heights too fast to climb. I got so
Mother, I love you so much kasi talagang from the beginning, talagang totally mahal na mahal nyo kami. Salamat kasi one call a week ka lang talaga. Kahit kay Mikay, even sa mga kapatid ko, I love you pa. So, mahal na mahal kita.
So, syempre, gusto kong sabihin, thank you sa lahat ng sakripisyo. Bakit ganun? Dapat mamaya. Ayan, sakripisyo and mahal na mahal ko kayo. Thank you, love. Ay, wow!
Today is the day. I love you so much. I pray magustuhan mo. Matagal mo inaantay. To kaya I pray happy ka. Ano to? Ano to?
Yung dating pinag-pray ko, magiging asawa ko na ngayon. At alam ko, this is a great love story kasi si Lord ang author nito.
Mahal, ito yung vow is para sa'yo. Hanggang may hininga ako, aalagaan at mamahalin. I promise to choose you every single day. In every season of our lives, kahit sa hirap at ginhawa.
finally here at your feet again. Everything I am, reaching out, I surrender. Come sweep me up in your love again. And my soul lives on the wings of forever.
Russell and Josephine, you are not simply entering to the new chapter of your life, but you know what? You are building a home na kung saan makakapag-dwell ang ating pamilya.
On the wings of forever.
Ikaw ang aking panghabang buhay, my answered prayer, my greatest blessing, and my forever.
Salamat love sa pagmamahal na walang humpay. You are my miracle from God. I love you today and for a lifetime.
Reaching out, I surrender.
almost 4 years yata bago ka nagkaroon ng trabaho. No? So, panay siya, Emil. Yung attack ba yun? Sabihin. Attack.
Con su dulce de alegría, va vendiendo rico bollo.
Sabi ko, Apa, I think ito na yung prayer ko.